Hey guys, we are back.
Hi.
So today we're going to Brooklyn Book Festival. So we're kind of excited. We're running late. It is hot. And I'm like, yeah, I need to survive the next couple of hours. But we're trying to make it to the first panel. We're running late, so we might miss it. But
So
it's
excited.
so much. I was looking at the list. There's so much panel just for the first hour. So you have to choose which one you think is more important. So the one I really want to go to, we're late for, but there's other panels every hour. But we'll see. Looking forward to this, and hopefully learn something new, pick up some new books, and
Get some food because I'm hungry. Somebody forgot to feed me.
So anyway, continue watching, and hopefully it's as fun as I hope it is gonna be, So anyway, bye.
It's my honor to serve as a moderator to a panel of three writers, Eileen Miles, Jeremy Sigler, and Ashley Young, whose work is both surprising and delightful.
By some miracle, we'd beaten the Sunday evening crowd, which is hard to do these days, ever since my charming, low-key neighborhood became a tourist destination.
So guys, we are on to panel number 3, yeah. So
26 one. Title.
you actually need to look this up. We're just gonna put it in the bottom of this, okay?
I'm excited about this one, guys. I can actually hear, my axe up with students.
Yeah. So we're having a good time. We're a little bit hungry, but we're ready to hear about this discussion. So we'll see.
And this passage that I'm reading deals not just with the African family, but with their own people. It was I penning this, who had not yet quite brought up my relationship with cousin Nothing. So much Aboriginal art. It was amazing.
So we're south of it. Yeah.
That's in that business program. Yeah, it's a heart of motor school. Yes. So what kind of I'm actually very
P for Peter. And the BE, return America.
That's it.
pictures, we don't care. But I mean,
He is so cute.
not a horror.
It's a thriller. It's a chunker too.
Yeah, it's very fast-paced. If you like James Patterson, same style, very quick, short chapters, but a lot of action, a lot of description. This one, The Forward, was written by Desmond Thomas. He's the editor-in-chief of Vibe magazine.
Oh.
So he read this one, loved it, and then wrote the forward for this
All right, thanks.
See you next time. Just in case you want to look us up, you can read the reviews.
So, guys. Alright, I got 3 bits so far. So I'm doing good. I'm being a responsible shopper. Because I tend to not have any control when it comes to books. But doing good today.
It's exciting.
We got one book, right?
Inspired.
So yeah.
This book, though, is going to teach me to be a poet.
But I'm gonna do a book haul of all the books I got. So
Ooh, these are cute. Wow. That's
I'm happy I came in and saw you because I went in the store the other day and I saw the book. I was like, I really want to read it. And then some said they're not getting it. So I was so happy when I saw you. I'm like, yes. Because I would have had home because I have her book at home.
What's your name?
Peter.
P-E-T-A. What's funny? I just saw my friend Peter.
Nice.
Did you already read this? I read it. I am
So you have it for a reason.
I have a couple people who are like using it as a comic.
Even when they sent exterminators half dead and on fire, you pushed on. Because even though you are an inelegant, simple, mammal bottom feeder, always freaking famished little ugly thing who feasts on what crumbs fall from the corners of our mouths, you live uncuddled, uncoddled.
So guys, that was a wrap. You're exhausted. How many hours later?
Enough.
Like 6 hours later? We tired. So we're heading home. So thanks for watching.
Thank you.
And I'll do a book haul later on. Next video after this should be a big book haul. See what we bought. And thanks for watching.
Bye.
Subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Bye.
$80.